As you know, downloading reference images is daunting task. 2 weeks ago, we developed this simple add-on in Blender for Arab, and I would like to share this add-on with you. This add-on will save you a lot of time. It's downloading images at high quality. Firstly, of course, you should install the add-on. Go to the add-on. It works with all versions of Blender from 3.1 to latest version 4.5. And here, of course, you should install Python dependencies first, and after that you can search, just click install. And as you can see, it say all required libraries are installed. Then you can go here, make sure you save your file. If you save your file, all the files will be saved directly to next to your Blender file. So let's say we want to download references for microphone AKJ, and after that I will press download images. It will start to download all images, and after few seconds, it depends on number of images, you can specify number of images as you'd like. And after that, as you can see, after a few seconds it downloads images. Click here to open the reference folder, and as you can see, successfully we downloaded all that. And as you can see, it downloaded here next to our Blender file in the reference images. Here I have the Blender file, and as you can see here, we have the AKG microphone, and we have 20 images at high quality. So I will leave the link in the description for downloading this add-on, and if you have any suggestion to improve the add-on, you can tell me. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in another tutorial.